What's going on, everyone? We have more updates for the BLEShark Nano. I know I said I wasn't going to make another video until I got the care package in the studio, but they made some improvements already, and I think that are worthy of talking about. So let's go through them right now. Alright, they made some improvements to the case. So after doing some drop testing, they noticed that the battery wasn't staying in place perfectly. So they ended up making some minor adjustments. These minor adjustments have a lot of impact when it comes to impacts. So they already received the packaging, batteries, USB Type-C cables, and stickers. They're still waiting for a couple other things, and it seems like everything together about 3 to 5 weeks. The last thing they're waiting on is the silicone cases that they just modified and upgraded. They also noticed that they got a different size screw than they originally thought they were going to get. So they're working with the manufacturer to see if they can get that fixed. So you can see right here, that's what they got. This is what they expected. And they're going to be correcting this at some point as well. They have a whole bunch of samples of the OLED displays that are UK and the EU approved. The final PCB order for international customers will begin production right away. So you got about 3 more weeks, it seems like, for overseas. Now this is pretty exciting. So they made a testing jig. So basically they made this little device that helps test a BLEShark Nano before it gets sent to the customer. So it goes ahead and checks for infrared, it checks the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a button functionality, and it does it all within 30 seconds. So it's really nice to have some kind of check and balance when it comes to quality control. They have a device that's able to do it, so I think that's really cool. I would actually like to get one of these in the studio. It's nice to see that this manufacturer is going above and beyond to make sure you guys get the best quality possible. Even made a separate device to help make sure that. So I think that's really cool that they designed that. And they're also working on firmware updates, and their website is so cool. So I don't know if you guys seen, there's a creator tab now on their website. And you can see a whole bunch of creators in the videos they created. So it's nice seeing the whole community mingle and start to produce content for this product. I'm currently waiting for mine because they're going to be sending me the final product. I'll be getting mine at some point. I didn't get it earlier because I wanted them to give me the full finished product. They're going to be sending me a care package at some point. So once I get that, I will share with you guys. This should be the last update video. I wasn't going to make a video until I got the care package, but they made so many upgrades already. I thought it was just worthy of mentioning it. So great job, BLEShark Tech, for keeping everybody in the loop and making these improvements and being so transparent and keeping us in the loop constantly. That is so huge. And remember, everyone, safety is an illusion. I'll see you guys in the next video.